Hey guys, it's 4:57 a.m. in the morning, 4:52 as you just saw, and we're going fishing. Yeah, it should be actually a pretty interesting thing. We have no clue if we're going to get any bites, but you know, that's why it's called fishing. You don't go there knowing you're going to catch. So come along for the journey.
Long time, Winky.
We'll see you on the chat.
Eh?
We'll see you on the chat.
Anyway, let's see what we can do this morning.
Morning guys.
So you're vlogging?
Yeah. So we're going to California Bank?
Yes, we're going Cali. And we're looking at a couple of wahoos and a blue marlin.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yeah man.
tight lines.
Yeah man. Wish us tight lines guys. And share this with someone who you think might like it. Where on the map is Cali?
Just let me get organized.
Yeah man, no problem.
We're here. And Cali is out. Right off.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
I will let you focus because that's nice, no problem.
Yes.
So you guys are probably barely seeing this, but the little green dots, and alright, so that green flashing light, that's a marker, it's a channel marker, and we use these to know where to as in there's an obvious
5-foot channel marker.
right, meaning
So in between is 5 foot.
right, 5 foot deep,
If you go either side, you'll run into 3 foot.
3 foot,
3 inches.
and from 3 foot down to 3 inches. Right, so that's why, you know, it's good to go with a certified captain. But yeah, so just right there is shallow, and we're in the channel. Alright, so you see that little light blinking? See that light blinking? That's a vessel. When we're out there at these hours, that's the kind of thing we have to look for. Usually it's just a light on the top of the man's head that you kind of have to look for. Probably can't see it, but there's a little dot over there. It's dolphin, as in porpoise. A school of them. You sure it's porpoise? Might be a whale. A school of porpoise right there. I doubt you guys can see this on a GoPro, but there's right there. Swimming up the sea. Yes, see them yet? No. Them two come back up again. Right there, right there. Whoa! Hey! Wow! Right down the boat, Charlie. Yeah! Yeah, man, I got it. Yeah, man, I got it. Oh! Yeah, man, we see them at work. Man, we're flying. Putting out lines. Alright. Well. Wait till I was looking that line goes straight out. Stop going now. Yeah. And then jet time. Power goes out. Alright, so far one first. Top far bottom window. This one. Sitting there. Alright, so lines are out. There's a lot of seaweed around, so we're going to be checking lines a lot. We're on the continental edge. We don't reach Cali just yet, but we saw birds, so we're kind of checking. Yes, Winky, this is how we do it.
Yeah, man.
As them lick one, put out another. Ready. Yeah, guys. So, based on how that's clean cut, that's probably a wahoo or a kingfish.
What's that power like a Winky? It's like a kingfish, it's sharp, man. Sharp.
Clean cut. So that's a good sign. fishing bank is.
Alright. You look right here. This is Cali Bank. What happens is a shallow that comes out of the deep. Out here is 4,025, and this comes up to 120 feet. Because of the
Sudden change.
sudden change, you find that bait fish stay around it, and when bait fish stay around it, the bigger fish come and feed on them. So we just go, it's somewhere that the fish start to concentrate, and that's where we go and we try and catch them.
Okay.
So hopefully today will
It's
be a
in our
good
favor.
catching day. Every day is a great fishing day, but not every day is a catching day.
Same so.
Hopefully today is a good catching day.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, you're never in there.
Well,
Watch it, brother. Peter.
alright. Sure.
Make me a
No? Not for it? Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy! Cure seasickness.
Fish underneath them, yes! Wildline.
Go, go, go.
Let it go. Hey, why not? Stand up right beside of something and...
So we decided to do some deep line. The trolling, which is where we pull the lures behind the boat, wasn't really working out. So here you can see we sending down traps down into the deep. So what do you use to tell if something's on separate from your hand? The rod tip.
If the rod tip got
If the rod tip does what?
yeah, I don't...
If it goes,
It's not going
you're not
anywhere.
jigging.
You know my body never known. My body never known. You keep dancing with the devil, but it is a lot of bad luck. My body never known. You keep dancing with the devil, but it is a lot of bad luck.
All right,
Alright!
fish on board.
Dinner time!
I ain't going back down no matter what. And nobody tells me to come back up there.
What kind of snapper is that?
A queen.
Queen. Yes, good sized fish.
Full jack.
Well, fish on board though.
Dolphin. I don't have so much in my fish tank. Can't what?
The challenge was if he didn't catch something, he had to eat this. But based on what we're seeing, Look like something, man.
So what? Ano, di din niya?
Yeah, wind up.
Yes, man, I catch
Yeah,
one.
No, man.
Oh, what a nice one. Go lie, you know.
Go lie.
Go lie. Go lie, look at it. Look at him fin. That's a bone fin. Look at him fin, you see bone.
Yes, the fin is black.
Hey, Pablo, you know.
So that's what that bun.
Nice.
And guess what? My own don't have worm in the belly. Like that one.
Hey, Pablo, you fed all of the fish.
The rest of the hooks are
That means that down there.
empty.
Come, you're
Empty. Empty.
You come. I cut up.
Well, sorry, hold on. So Pablo, tell them why we go close to the weed lines.
Because the smaller fish are under the weed line and the bigger fish are around the weed line, feeding off the smaller fish.
Yeah. Right. And they also get shelter from the sun, right? Yeah, man. And that's the edge. Which one? This line. Okay, so 200, 253. And as soon as we pass that line, that's what you call the continental edge. 541 foot. And we go more into the deep, which is where we find what kind of fish?
Blue marlin.
Pelagic fish.
Yeah.
Marlin, wow. Big fish.
Tuna.
Tuna. That kind of tuna.
Practice, Moogie, practice. Practice for the marlin. Farm look good though. So guys, we were going to go to Starfish Island. That's right there. That dot that you see with all those other little dots, that's an island and that's boats. But yeah, looks a little packed and it's been a day, so we're gonna head in and chill out. So I hope you enjoyed this epic. Do what you feel like doing, you know. If you like this and you haven't subscribed, which based on my insights a good portion of you haven't, I would recommend click that subscribe button and also like and leave a comment. Send it to someone who might like this kind of content I do, from fishing to surfing to waterfalls, mostly outdoors. Anyhow, have a good week. I'm out.
Keep dancing with the devil, but it is a lot of back.
Hey guys, we're going fishing. You haven't got it by now. Yeah.
Just come and go.
Alright, we like come again. Hey guys, we're going fishing if you haven't realized by now. Hey guys, it's 4:57. It's AM in the morning. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. So that's stringer lights that you guys can barely see on the GoPro. Like, yeah, that's Morgan's harbor. With a Cut 60 license. I think I'm saying that right.
Keep dancing with the devil, but it is a lot of